Hi there, it's me, Leo. We're so glad you're here because we've got a mission to learn, and we need your help.
Yeah, it's totally awesome. We're going to learn all about the composers and artists from our adventures.
Plus, we'll learn lots of other fun facts about the places we went and the friends we made. Yeah, remember when we helped Mommy Reindeer find her baby? In Mission to Learn, we'll find out more about reindeers, the Arctic tundra, and snowy owls.
So what do you say? Are you ready? Great! Buckle your seatbelts and click on the Let's Go button to
Can 4 hands play on one piano? Absolutely. That's what Johannes Brahms wanted when he wrote the Hungarian dances. 2 people, each with 2 hands, playing together on the same piano.
Even though Henri Rousseau is most famous for his jungle paintings, he never actually saw a jungle in real life. He got ideas for his art in books, magazines, zoos, and gardens.
Old Faithful at Yellowstone National Park is one of the most famous geysers in the whole world. Old Faithful goes off every 20 to 30 minutes and shoots hot water more than 5 stories into the air. In December 1889, Johannes Brahms made history by being the first famous musician to have his voice recorded. He spoke and played his Hungarian dance for Thomas Edison's new invention, the cylinder recorder.
Back.
When the Roman Colosseum was built 2,000 years ago, the stadium could hold up to 50,000 people. Today, you won't find any people, but you will find a lot of cats. It's true. More than 2,000 cats call the Roman Colosseum home.
Back. Cymbals have been around longer than just about any other orchestra instrument. The first cymbals were used in the Middle Ages. That's more than 1,500 years ago. Back. Have you ever had hiccups that just wouldn't go away? While being surprised or scared sometimes works, other people try holding their breath or putting sugar under their tongue to get rid of the hiccups.
Henri Rousseau's painting, Tropical Storm with a Tiger, has a nickname. Surprised! It was the first painting he ever made in his Jungle series.
Get ready. Let's go. Shh, shh, shh. Hungarian Hiccups.
Art by Henri Rousseau. And
music by Johannes Brahms.
way to go, Rocket! This is spectacular! Great flying, Rocket! Yeehaw!
Hi, I'm Leo, and this is our best friend, Rocket. Today, Rocket is going to be in the Great Sky Race. Rocket, there's the starting line. Whoa, look at the planes.
And jets! And helicopters! We know you're gonna win, Rocket.
You're the fastest, coolest rocket ever. Rocket is really, really fast. Are you fast? Wow.
singing his special race song.
Hooray for Rocket! La 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 la. What's the matter, Rocket?
Oh no! Look at that big jet!
Votre toast, je peux vous le rendre, Seigneur, Seigneur, car avec les soldats, oui, les toreros peuvent s'entendre. Pour plaisir, ils ont les combats. Le cirque est plein ce jour de fête, le cirque est plein du haut en bas. Le spectateur est dans la tête, le spectateur s'est en peur après fracas. Apostrophe, puis c'est ta page pour rester jusqu'à ce l'empereur, car c'est la fête du courage, c'est la fête des chiens de guerre. Allons, en garde, allons, allons, toréador, en garde, toréador, toréador. Et songe bien, oui, songe combattant, que le noir te regarde, et que l'amour t'attend, toréador, l'amour t'attend. On fait silence, à quoi se passe-t-il? Plus de cris célestants, le taureau se lance en bandissant auditorie. Il s'élance, il entre et frappe, en chevelure, entraînant un pic d'or. Ah, bravo taureau! En secouant ses banderilles, plein de fureur il coule, le cirque est plein de sang. En saison, on franchit le cri, c'est un temps maintenant. Allons, en garde, allons, allons, toréador, en garde. Toréador, toréador. Et songe bien, oui, songe combattant, que le noir te regarde, et que l'amour t'attend, toréador, l'amour t'attend, toréador, toréador. Seigneur, Seigneur, car avec les soldats, oui, les toreros peuvent s'entendre. Pour plaisir, ils ont les combats. Le cirque est plein ce jour de fête, le cirque est plein du haut en bas. Le spectateur est dans la tête, le spectateur s'est en peur après fracas. Apostrophe, puis c'est ta page pour rester jusqu'à ce l'empereur, car c'est la fête du courage, c'est la fête des chiens de guerre. Allons, en garde, allons, allons, toréador, en garde. Toréador, toréador. Et songe bien, oui, songe combattant, que le noir te regarde, et que l'amour t'attend, toréador, l'amour t'attend. On fait silence, à quoi se passe-t-il? Plus de cris, c'est la sang, plus de